Hi, I'm Dr. Bert Solomon, founder of Knoxville Spine and Sports. When I moved to Knoxville as a new grad, I didn't have much more than a vision, a work ethic, and a faith that God was calling me to something bigger than myself. I didn't know how it would all unfold, only that I had to take the first step. Those early days were full of uncertainty, but definitely full of growth. And honestly, ever since then, the journey has been the same. It's a journey of faith, trust, grit, and grace. For me, building Knoxville Spine and Sports was never about being an owner or an operator. It was about answering a call to work hard, to reject passivity, to accept responsibility and lead courageously as a husband, a father, a doctor, a mentor, and a friend. Over the years, those values have become more than words on a page. They've become my way of life. And if I've learned anything on this journey, it's this: to be excellent at what we do, we need grit and faith. Grit carries you through the long nights, the hard seasons, the setbacks, and the waiting. Man, the waiting. Faith keeps you grounded and reminds you of your purpose. It shapes your character when comfort tries to pull you away from greatness. That belief shapes how we care for people here at Knoxville Spine and Sports. We don't just treat pain, we walk with patience through healing, through growth, and through restoration. We are patient-centered, we are collaborative, and we treat the whole person, body, mind, and soul. Don't be afraid to do hard things. Don't let comfort pull you into mediocrity, and never stop believing that the best is yet to come. With grit, faith, and the right people beside you, you'll go farther than you ever imagined. I'm Dr. Bert Solomon. Here at Knoxville Spine and Sports, we treat more than a diagnosis. We treat the whole person. We are together for health.